A COVID-era contract is now stirring up a post-pandemic controversy at Corpus Christi City Hall. A six-figure payment to a tech company that helped manage vaccine distribution is raising some questions, not just about dollars and cents, but about transparency and process. Michael Gibson joins me now in studio with the details on this story. Michael.
It was a pandemic partnership meant to streamline vaccine tracking. But now the contract that helped fight COVID is creating a new kind of headache over at City Hall.
Just turn that way. Okay,
back in 2021, as the COVID virus was tearing across the country, the city of Corpus Christi teamed up with a software company called Luminaire. The company's tech was designed to help the city's health department track vaccinations and report that data to state and federal agencies. But now, more than 3 years later, there's a new infection making its way through City Hall. Concern over a surprise six-figure settlement.
And we broke their contract, so I believe there was like a demand letter sent to the city of Corpus Christi. I think they settled out of court, never a lawsuit filed, and I believe that the settlement amount was $202,000.
Cantu says that check was ultimately written, but not for $202,000. The city cut one for $262,000. Now he, along with council members Sylvia Campos and Gil Hernandez, want to know whether city staff bypassed council approval to get that payment out the door without any public scrutiny.
And my understanding is supposed to have gone to city council for approval. Didn't go to city council for approval.
By city charter, any expenditure over $50,000 must go before council.
Well, you have to sign off on anything that they do, that they approve. He can spend up to $50,000 and that's it. But I'm not privy to what all that is. My name's not on that agenda item.
City Manager Peter Zanoni tells us that this all began when then Health Director Fazia Khan allegedly told Luminaire she wasn't going to pay the full amount. He says she tried to negotiate a settlement without his or council's knowledge.
This is something that should not have been done, whether it's a health director or any other director. If there's a city council approved contract to pay a vendor, we need to make good and pay the vendor. This city is not going to get people that are going to want.
The city manager says he ordered the full amount of $262,000 to be paid to Luminaire as the contract was called for, and it was something city council and had already approved. He also warned that if Corpus Christi doesn't honor signed contracts, it risks scaring away future vendors. Still, this payment and the process that led to it will be on the city council's agenda beginning tomorrow. Leslie?